Hi everyone, we make multiple fold on this white color of paper. We're going to make a beautiful design perfect for home decorations. These type of designs are great for festive season. So let's make one of them. Here we're going to take a pencil and draw lines on the top of it. We need this type of design. So cut it like this and open it gently and look, your design is ready. You can also color it later. Here we are going to make this flower pattern design. So take this white color of paper, make multiple fold and make this triangular shape. Now using pencil we are going to draw the flower petal on the top of it. We are drawing lines. Now cut all of them like this. Don't cut it fully, leave the center part open. Now we are going to open it like this and look, your flower is ready. After this we are going to fold the alternate strip like this from the center part and paste it like we are doing here, and look, you will get this beautiful flower pattern at the end. You can also paste a colorful circle and look, it's done. We're going to make this snowflake design using this blue color of paper. So fold this paper, make a triangular shape and draw lines on the top of it using scale and pencil. After this we're going to cut all of them and look, it's done. Open it. Now we're going to paste the alternate strips. So we're going to fold it and paste it like we're doing here in this video. After pasting from this side, we're going to flip the paper and we're going to do the same from other side as well. You will get this design. Now we're going to make 5 such designs and combine all of them together like this, and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful design. So we're going to make multiple fold on this blue color of paper, make a triangular shape, make multiple cuts, open it and look, it's done. Now using glue we're going to paste the alternate strips at the center part from this side as well as from the other side as well. After pasting it we're going to make 5 more such petals. Total we are going to make 6 such shapes and combine all of them together one after another and paste it at the center like this, and look, your beautiful design is ready for decoration. Fold this red color of paper and make this square shape. Again fold it into half. Now open it gently. Here we are going to again fold it like this from its both sides, and look, you have to fold it carefully. That is why you will get this beautiful design. After folding it we are going to cut it from the base like this. Again we are going to cut it from the top portion and continue the same process like we are doing here in this video. Make multiple cuts and make this Christmas tree shape like this, and look, after cutting it from its both sides we are going to gently open it like we're doing here. When you open it you will get this beautiful design. How pretty this is looking. Look at this beautiful thin design. Let's create it. Here we are going to make multiple fold on this red color of paper and make this triangular shape. Now take out your pen or pencil and draw lines on the top of it. Here we need this design, so we're going to draw the lines on the inside as well. Now take a scissor and cut it first from the outside then from the inside like this, and you will get this thin design, and you have to open it very slowly. Don't tear it. Open it and look how pretty this design is looking. Do try it at your home. Thank you so much for watching this video.